Neighbors, good morning to you. It has started off hectic and crazy here in the house. So what I'm doing now, we're gonna have some coffee and some of our cheesecake for breakfast. But I'm sharing this with the girls. I want them to try it. Eden and Ava, I don't know if they will like it, but Leila and Zahra, they want to try it. So I'm gonna make them try it. And what them don't eat, me eat. Am I trying to reset the day? I'm just trying to get this day started right. I'm really trying.
The chatter is coming from over here. No school today for Zasa and Leila. And this one right here. Hello?
Okay.
No, don't open the fridge. Say good morning. Eva, say good morning.
Morning.
And here, what kind of dressing is this? A church, Leila and Zahra church shoes, left and right.
Yes.
And they're frilly skirt. You have one, you're matching frilly skirt as well, I think. Eva, come here. Come here. What is this?
Cake.
Eva, what is this?
Oh, look, Ava, what's this?
Cake.
Cake, okay. What was she saying a second ago? A while ago, Ava was saying doodle, and she's pointing to the cake.
I think she's afraid it's a triple chocolate.
Yeah, she's saying it birds are striking with them balls. Something she lets out on the other end. Everybody ready to dig in?
Yeah.
No, that's not how it's gonna go. Right? So first, everybody have them on for it because everybody seems to be dealing with a little bit of something. Leila has a temperature and these two seem to still have a runny nose. And they went to the doctor, they found some viral thing. She found their lymph nodes were swollen, so they're still struggling with some. You hear that?
Why said Ava? Why said they want doodle? She said she want the doodle one.
Here's your fork. Ava, let me have your fork.
It's yummy.
What do you think, Ava? What do you think,
I want
Leila?
the chocolate. Yummy.
You want to try the chocolate one? Alright. Chelsea, you're in the mix too? Here, your fork.
And then
I need your fork.
What
Give
do
me
you
your fork.
Like it?
Okay. Ava, give me your fork. Let me put some on your fork. Let me put some on your fork. That is mommy's fork.
You can't eat here. You can't have your fork and eat with it too. Get it? You can't have it.
Which one? Let me see. Let me try with this one.
okay.
She want the doodle one.
Okay. True enough.
I want the middle one.
Not what you expected.
She tried.
Oh man, hush baby.
Hold on.
Why don't you keep
Wait,
touching
look,
me?
Zahra. Wait, make Ava get to make Ava finish eat first.
Eden try already?
No, Eden don't go yet.
Eden's turn.
Let everybody get a chance first, man. Eden, let me have your fork, baby, so I can put some on your fork.
They don't want to give up their
They
fork.
want to give up the fork. All right, let me let
one
Eden
wants
try
Eden?
this
plain one.
one, plain one. This is a New York style cheesecake. No?
I want the middle one with
You want to try this one?
eat that tonight. Me?
Huh?
You want my fork?
No, Eden.
You don't want to play in the food.
That's not gonna happen.
Alright, so while they figure this out, I'm going to share with you. Or you want to do the reading?
I want this
Oh, look, guys. This was one of my Mother's Day gifts. It's a beautiful devotional. It
This
has
is strength for today.
It has 365 devotions and it goes beautifully with this is my coffee cup. This cup that I've been using for the last several months now to keep my coffee warm. It keeps my coffee warm for up to an hour, like hot, not even warm, hot for up to an hour. May 15th. Okay, it says well timed. Everyone enjoys giving great advice, but how delightful it is to say the right thing at the right time. Proverbs 15:23, and this comes from the TPT version. Which version is the TPT version? We'll find out and let you know, neighbors. But listen to this. Listen to this. I'm going to read it for you guys. There are situations in life where you feel lost for words. Often, this is the moment of deep grief, sudden shock, or extreme surprise. Overwhelming emotions can be hard to this is hard to do with the two. You're just chattering. This is not easy at all. Even and Eva just don't shut up.
So you need quiet time for this. So I'm going to go away while she feeds them and I'll finish up.
What are you doing?
Alright?
Okay, great.
Mango.
I'm gonna pick up mango.
She's going to bring it back.
No, Edie, listen. If you put that water in that fork in that water, you're going to have to throw it in the garbage. Oh, go and fling all this fork, you know.
No.
You're not eating it, so leave it alone.
No.
Funny enough,
No.
Ava likes it.
No.
Edie does not. Edie doesn't even want to try it. I don't know where you put that fork there, so I don't want any. Leila and Zahra eat off the triple chocolate cake, which has dark chocolate in there. Never thought they would have liked it because it's kind of bitter. It has, I think, Oreo crust, and then it has dark chocolate chips and chocolate flavored cheesecake. Okay, guys, children have gone inside for a little while. I don't know how long for, so I'm going to try to read today's devotion for Uno. So the reading devotion for today is from May 15, and it is entitled Well Timed, and the scripture lesson comes from Proverbs 15 verse 23, right? So that verse, the TPT version, says everyone enjoys giving great advice. Not true. But how delightful it is to say the right thing at the right time. There are situations in life where you feel lost for words. Often, this is in moments of deep grief, sudden shock, or extreme surprise. Overwhelming emotions can be hard to express, and when someone shares these emotions with us, we all don't always know how to reply. The Bible speaks a lot about being slow to speak. So God doesn't expect us to know what to say immediately. An appropriate response to someone doesn't have to be quick. It's just good if it's timely. The next time you find yourself lost for words, give yourself time to think and pray about a response. There is wisdom in letting the Holy Spirit guide you with encouraging words. Think of the joy you can bring to someone, perhaps not instantly, but in time with the right words. And this is the question to consider. When was the last time you felt like you weren't able to give an appropriate reply? Ask God to give you some encouraging words for that person. Perhaps now is the right time for them to hear it. Yeah, I know I always struggle with this. You know, something happens and you don't know what to say, you struggle for words. You might even say something that is like, when you think about it, like, why did I say that? You struggle to find the right words to say?
No.
Of course not.
I don't normally have many words.
Well, this is true. But you do a very good job of encouraging other people.
A few words.
With your few words, yes. Very good job. So what's on the agenda for today?
Work. And nothing special that we can disclose here.
Yeah.
But neighbors, hope you have a great start to your week. Well, by the time you see this, it's already one day left for you, but hope your week goes good.
And thank you for all the Mother's Day wishes.
Yes, thank you for all Mother's Day wishes. And I hope you...
And all the compliments about the haircut. Sorry, Papa.
I don't have anything else to say. You see, this is exactly what I was saying. Choose the right words. That's what I was talking about.
Yes, but it doesn't have anything to do with that.
Yeah. But it's a beautiful day. Curious to see how the week plays out. But God knows. I heard somebody today where people say, you know, God surprised me today. And I could use a couple surprises.
Yeah, but you be careful what you ask for, right?
I want a positive, God, I want a couple million positive surprises.
A couple $1 million worth.
Of positive surprises.
Yeah, let's put the dollar.
Right.
Let's put the dollar in there.
Yeah.
Oh boy. When you say couple, you don't literally mean two, right?
No man, you don't have to suffer too. And I was thinking the other day as well. You know, it was uploaded, downloaded in my spirit. What him say again? God downloaded it.
I don't know, but if it is your spirit, then it is an upload.
Right, people normally say, you know, God downloaded it in my spirit. But God would have to upload it from heaven and then you download it in your spirit.
Whatever, just get on with the
But
point.
you know that
These children.
oh, they're back. This point has to wait.
Where you get that from? You can tear it off of the card where you say your teacher makes.
I'll let you know the point.
Baby.
I'll make the point later. But first,
Baby.
it's a new day. We're going to do puzzles. You want ready to do puzzles, Eva? Not ready? Ready to do puzzles, Edie?
Papa.
Puzzles. Ready to do puzzles, Leila?
Yes.
Ready to do puzzles, Zahra?
Yes.
Alright, we're going to start over. Let's go.
After we can get snacks.
So after we do this, we're going to get some, alright?
Is that right here?
One over there. It's one over there. We'll find.
Right.
Ready? Okay, Zahra, so what are you working on? The zebra?
And this.
Okay. What are you working on, Leila? Ooh! Where'd you get those glasses?
From school.
From school? Okay.
From Kalila's birthday.
Okay, for my friend's birthday. Yours what?
Mine already.
Your one broke. That's okay. You
Because-
can get another one soon.
Because the pill came back.
The pin came out?
The pill.
The pill, the pin.
The pill.
The pill, the pin.
The pill.
I think you mean the pin.
The pill.
Alright, you win. Let's do this quickly, then we'll get some snacks, okay?
You hungry?
Right, so let's do this as quick as we can. So the whole idea is there's like in puzzles about trying to use up the gifts that we got, well, that Tina got from Mother's Day. So if you see that she used a cake, well the cake done already because today is actually Saturday. So the first part of the video was Monday, today is Saturday. And in the week, the different things we got eaten out, the Nature Valley, the grape sparkling juice. So remember the doctor gave them this puzzle set to do as a part of the things that were in the bag. So we're going to use it up and finish it today. We've already done it before, but each time you do it, it's still hard because it's a puzzle. So that's the message for today. That's the point for today that I'm going to make now. Whatever gifts you have, whatever bag of goodies God has blessed you with, that is unique to you,
I see the moment.
use it. Use all of it. Use all of it all the time. Whatever bag of gifts God gave you, your talents, whatever your skills are, use it, because otherwise you're going to feel like there's something missing, because there's something you're not doing that you're supposed to be doing. Right? So whatever bag of gifts you have, eat them, milk them, make the most of them, use it, make money, use it to bless others, use it to encourage others. Yeah, that's the idea. Anyway, puzzle time. And Zahra is already, wow, You're on a roll, Zahra. Leila, where's your start? You take off the glasses now. It's a serious time now, right? The glasses prevent you from seeing, but let's go. What happened here? What happened? What happened? What happened? Edie? Why you drop so? What happened? Come here. What happened, baby? What happened is that they spilled water on the floor. And so she running and slip. Anyway, come guys.
And then, Daddy, look how I can bend this.
Oh wow, the glasses are neat. Let's focus on the puzzle now. Ava and Eden, you going to help? You going to help with the puzzle? You going to help? Yes, alright. Taking a break already? You tired? You tired, baby? Come, let's finish. We're already doing a good job. So I went to get the snacks for the little one because they were crying, Eden and Ava. By the time I go and come back,
What did you say?
Eden demolished
This was messing up
the progress. So it's only the right side now. Just take off the lion, the cheetah, broke it up. That little one right there. Eden, what do you have to say for yourself? Crackers, I don't want crackers.
Oh, rock.
I don't want cheese crunches.
Those are turkeys.
So we're going to have to go again.
Not cheese crunch.
No snack for me or Leila or Zahra until the puzzle finished. Let's do this.
This piece goes here. Mama. Not to me. And then a cup.
What's up, baby?
I mixed two of these parts.
Very good. So almost there, right? Got back the lion and the hyena and the cheetah,
The honey.
giraffe,
That's the honey.
and this is the, I like to move it down, Madagascar, the lemur. Elephant almost finished. Let's go, guys. While those two over there just stuffing them face with the cheese crunches. Watch them. Eden. Hi. Eva. Hi. And yes, it's really hot. I am sweating profusely. I don't think my brain overheating is just the time, just blazing hot. It's supposed to, let's stay right there. It's supposed to go somewhere right there, alright? So we'll find another piece. So I think we'll put this piece, you know, look at that. You don't ever, let's pick up the mess, please. Pick it up. Leila, Zahra, you can finish it up, okay? So where's the bird? Where are the birds? Where did you put the bird? Zahra, you have the bird in your hand. Why did you take it apart?
I did not take it apart.
But the bird was together already.
That was.
No fighting, no fighting.
That
That's not right there.
Yes.
No, it's not.
Oh.
One day when you grow up, you'll be as good as me at puzzles, okay? Just keep working hard. Alright, I'm not needing any more. Leila and Zahra, finish up. The last 4 pieces. 2 more pieces to go. 2 more pieces to go. 1 more piece to go. And we are finished. Round of applause. Big clap, big clap, big clap, big clap. Good job, okay? You want to start now, right? Let me just show them what the final result is. Very nice, right? Very good work.
Yeah.
Yay! Alright, now that we did the puzzle, you want us to watch some football?
No.
But I helped you with the puzzle, you want to do the puzzle, so you want to do something that I want to do now?
Nah.
So you ready to watch football?
Nah.
Huh? You see how them stay down neighbors? You get to do what they want to do, but never want to watch football with me. It's alright though. Anyway, wishing you a great week, and we'll catch up again soon. And me and my house. Bye.